Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So in this week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm gonna go over expectations of paint protection film, how long it should last, what it should look like after a number of miles and whatnot. So here we have a 2016 Dodge Ram 3500. It's got over 500,000 miles on it. It hauls campers all around North America, so it definitely sees a lot of traffic. Now, this truck, we put PPF on the bumper a couple months ago after the bumper had gotten replaced and repainted. So we're gonna replace the partial front end paint protection film that's on here already. And I'm just gonna show you guys a couple things. You know, there's some things here on the hood. You know, something will have hit over here where it ripped the film. I'm pretty sure when we pull the PPF off, the paint will be fine. Here is probably the worst. We got this big stone that will have hit there that ripped the film and pull paint with it. So that's right down to the bare metal. So that'll have to get fixed. Here we got another stone chip that pulled the film out. Paint's fine underneath it. If we come over here to the driver's side, you're gonna notice some nicks in the film as well too. So, you know, if you're a paint protection film installation shop and you're talking to your customer about what the expectations are for paint protection film, don't tell them that this is gonna stop everything. It's gonna stop a lot. You can reference this video, 500,000 miles, and there's probably, I don't know, 8 to 10 areas on the film where it's actually been damaged, which that's pretty good. So the PPF is a sacrificial layer of protection for your vehicle's paint. Even at the end of the day, if this customer did not want the PPF reapplied over top of it, he could pull this off, touch up that one stone chip, and this thing's still gonna look really, really good. Customer takes really good care of this truck, and you would never guess it's got 500,000 miles just by looking at it. So yeah, you'll also notice on this vehicle, the edges are exposed. We did a video on why you as a paint protection film installer should wrap your edges. So I'm gonna link that video in the description below. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more PPF content.